Hello guys, welcome to Pantech Solutions. Today I am going to show a demo on Eyeblink controlled home automation system. Here we are using our two confirmation, and first one by using brain waves for detection Eyeblink, and second one by using a deep learning algorithm with the help of Python. So for that we need first EEG measuring device. So either NeuroSky Mindwave mobile or BrainSense. Here we are using Arduino UNO with connection of SC05 a Bluetooth module, and then relay circuit, light, fan, and then light. So first we have to run the Python programming which performs a deep learning algorithm.